I've known Glenn since we were probably 12 years old. We started surfing together down here at Blacksmiths Beach. We started up at the Red Road, worked our way down to the breakwater, and we've just been surfing together forever. Glenn would have to be, in my opinion, one of the nicest blokes ever. Really, just one of the nicest fellas. And his passing's been an absolute shock to all of us.
What a great day. We're all here for Shaq, a guy that we've known since we were all that high. And this is nearly as sad as his funeral, Greg, to be honest with you.
Yeah, good day for it. Good place. Shaq will be proud of it. Well, here we are at beautiful Blacksmiths this morning. As you can see, the crowd's building dramatically, so we know it's going to be a big day and a big occasion for Shaq. So it's going to be 2 thumbs up, successful.
I just say, look at the turnout here. Everyone knows he was a gentleman of the ocean, the kindest man I knew on the ocean, and that's why we're all here.
Okay, it's great to see so many people here for Shaq's paddle out. It just shows what a respected member of our surfing community and broader community that he was. A couple of words summing up. I saw in a hashtag recently, our ocean gentleman, and that was him for sure.
Whatever. Shaq, you're one of the most brilliant blokes I've ever met. Never forget you, and hope you're resting in peace. Getting good waves up there, brother.
We're here today to celebrate the life of Shaq, Glenn Sharrock, and it shows a true testament to what sort of person he was today when you pan around and have a look how many people we've got here, what sort of person he was, true gentleman.
He started at 9 Mile in the late 60s. He was from the Catho in the 1990s. He was with us for 33, 34 years, and he was in Frenchman's as well. He was one of the people, every club loved him.
The loss of someone who really shouldn't have been lost.
Look, it's a hard thing. Today's hit me hard. It'll hit everyone hard. Shaq was a true gentleman, not just in the water but out. Just have a look. Just have a sticky beak around. Have a look at the people. This is how much he meant to all of us. Rest in peace, Shaq. I love you, bro.
Great to see so many people here today to celebrate Shaq's life and also remember him. A lot's already been said, but there's a few people want to say a couple of words before we paddle out. So if you can bear with us for a couple of minutes, a couple of people have a few words and then we'll paddle out. We'll talk about the paddle out and then have a little word.
G'day everybody. Great to see everybody here, and before we start, just a big thank you to Tony. Tony's been instrumental in putting this together today, so maybe a round of support. Tony. Okay, I discussed this with Tony, and we thought Blacksmiths was the appropriate place to have it today because Shaq learnt to surf here at Blacksmiths, and we formed the original 9 Mile Beach Surfboard Club, which was the first surfboard club ever to appear on Blacksmiths Beach, up there at Tariki Street, Blacksmiths. Shaq joined our club as a young bloke, probably 13, 14 years old, so we can take the credit for planting the roots for his surfing career. That's about all we can take credit for. After that, it was all him. But as we know, it's a bit like a 60 syndrome. He joined our club in the late 60s, and he was still competitively surfing well into his 60s. That shows a lot of dedication and commitment to his love for surfing. We all know what a great surfer Shaq was, but those qualities with surfing also extended into his life, which was all mentioned at the funeral and that. But we know he was dedicated to his family, dedicated to his work career, but he loved his surfing. He's one in a million. We're actually honoured and proud that he was a member of our club. We'll honour him every year at our annual reunion. And as we head out in the surf today, barely surf, but his spirit will be out there with us today. So rest in peace, Shaq. We love you, mate. You're a great fella. Thank you.
You can go first.
Okay, yeah, he started here in the 60s. He ended up coming to Catho, joining Catho in 1990. He was with us for 34 years till he just passed away recently. He won just about everything we could throw at him, except for the Open of the Catho Classic. He won every other one, plus heaps of club championships. As we headed the funeral, 10 Newcastle titles, half a dozen or more state titles, and he was one of the best blokes you would ever meet. He was a gentleman in the water, never hassled. And as far as wave selection went, I don't know anybody else that had the wave selection Shaq had. He'd sit there, everybody else would be paddling all around him, he'd just sitting there patiently wait for that wave to come through. He'd get it. Invariably, he'd win the bloody comp because he just sat there patiently and got the waves. I love you, Shaq, and I miss you, mate.
Just on behalf of Catho board riders, I'd like to thank everyone for coming. It's a testament to Shaq, what sort of person he was, by how many people have turned up. So thanks for coming, everyone.
Yeah, not much else can be said. Shaq was just a beautiful man, a gentleman of the ocean, and I know a lot of people looked up to him. I looked up to him. There's generations here that looked up to him. Yeah, it's just, we love Shaq.
Obviously we've got a lot of people, it's going to be a big circle. So what we're going to do is basically have the stronger paddlers go out, well actually, sorry, Justin and Max, Glenn's nephews, and my son Lee, Justin and Max are going to be on two of Glenn's boards, and they're going to paddle out the reef out, put it in the middle out there, and so they'll start the circles. So we'll start with our strongest paddlers, paddling out first, paddling seaward, and just sort of alternating paddling left to right, and we'll just get out there and form a circle. When we get out there, someone will prompt you, we'll just do some, have a chat to the person beside you, hands in the air, make some comments about Glenn, how he's affected your life, how he's been a positive influence, etc. Then we'll splash a bit of water and think on it for a little while, then we'll paddle in. That's all we're doing, alright? up 3 beers. Put up 3 beers.
At the end of the day, I'm drinking dark and sugar about the sonic way. Starting down the road, watch a diesel beat. We're feeling so high in designer's feet. Fire's burning bright and the sky is clear. There ain't nowhere we're turning back from here. Yeah. There's a running from something, whatever you like. We got our music and we got tonight. When all the clouds blew away, the sun comes up to illuminate the day. We drink Jamaican tea and drift away. Yeah, we live for days like today. Clouds blew away. The sun comes up to illuminate the day. We drink Jamaican tea and drift away. Yeah, we live for days like today. Yeah, we live for days like today.
Yeah, that looked awesome, mate. I tell you.
Saying farewell to a great man, yes. Absolutely stunning.
Mate, that was huge.
Thought I'd take her out and make her feel nice. So I booked a restaurant with a candlelit tea, a view of the ocean and a sea. She's the type of girl that says I guess they going on out here.
Oh, easy.
It's good, Greg. It's just fitting for Shaq. He started here and he finished here, so yeah, well done. Great. Great morning.
Your comment?
Yeah, the Shaq, mate. Great man. Great man.
And I could never be with anyone but her. And I don't need to dream. Yeah, I just look at her.
Very special, mate.
'Cause what she means to me is beyond words. Oh.
I'm just absolutely overwhelmed at the support and the love he's had from all his mates, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful.
I said, Glenn, this is a very special day for you. This is your special send-off. Everyone's going to be there. Please don't let it rain. You don't need the heat. This is for you. Look after us. Now you can let it rain and cry.
Beyond words. And I could never be with anyone but her.